Here on the side of the building is some kind of ventilated system on filter. The glass, I'm not sure if that's really supposed to be there. You typically find those on top of restaurants. This is at the Grand Tower building. Cameras around, but they didn't pass bar inspection. They should be active. Could use them. And right here is the central plant. Yeah, this building over here. I'm not sure what exactly it is, but it's got to be a chemical because it got rust from oxidation on the vents. Yeah, ventilation. It's letting out. But you have pipes going there through the to the parking garage. It doesn't say where the chemicals are. It doesn't say biohazard code. It doesn't have any chemical identification code at all.
Well, what's up, dog?
Yep. Fire hydrant sitting down. The lid has been pushed up. Ground fire here. So the city of Houston. With a lockbox on it. Got a cage up there. Don't put the identification. Has nothing. Inside we can still use some water meter. Timer. That's where exactly it is. Exactly this is. But it's electrical underground lines, whatever it is. We try to say it's chemical because it's oxidation with rust, or they didn't use galvanized pipes they're supposed to, which could leak over time. So this is on City of Houston property, and it's in Harris County, to the City of Houston, Texas. Nobody's doing anything about it.